Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Zilch card not working at the checkout in 2026. Now, in order to fix it, the very first thing that you need to do here is to simply open your Zilch application on your phone before making any of the purchases. Now, over here, you just have to tap on any of these brands available here on the top. Then you will be shown these types of options, these types of payment options to be specific here on this particular page. Now over here you need to choose any of the payment options and then tap on the option of choose pay. Now this step temporarily activates your card for the next transaction. Now a lot of people try to pay directly without selecting a payment mode first, and the checkout gets declined automatically. So make sure that you come here inside the application, select the brand, select the payment option, and then activate your Zilch card. So over here tap on the option of enable card in order to activate your card. Now after doing this, if you are shopping online, you just have to reopen the Zilch card section and then double check the card number, the expiration date and the CVV. So then you can just go to your profile and the account settings, and if Zilch is requesting you for the ID upload or any kind of selfie verifications, you just have to also complete them first, because the unverified accounts often experience random checkout declines, especially for the larger purchases. So you need to keep these things in mind and verify your account and activate your card. So that's how you can fix it. Thank you.